horizontal video vertical. So if you want to make a horizontal video vertical, then first you need to open up your editing application. Like for example, I'm using CapCut. Here you need to go with your video, select your video. After selecting, drag and drop that to the bottom. Now, as you can see that you will have the the horizontal video, right? So if you want to change or convert this horizontal video to a vertical video, then you need to go with the ratio. Under that, you need to select 9 is to 16. After selecting, now as you can see that it has been changed to a vertical video. Now you need to select the video, and here under video, and on the video you will have basic. And under basic, you need to scroll all the way down and go with canvas. Here you need to select blur. After selecting, you can go and select any blur that you are comfortable with that you would like to add as a background. Now, if you play, then you will have this kind of interface. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.